No, you can't have it. What is it? Is it Pepsi? Or Coke? What's this? Coke? It's Coke? What's Pepsi? So what happens, look at Ellie, what happens when Mommy pours the Pepsi into the glass? Now what's this? Is that, what is this now? Is it Coke now? Is it Coke? Can Ellie drink this? No, 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 right?
No.
Can Audrey drink this?
No.
No, no, no. Can Olivia drink this? No, 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 no. Who can drink this? Mommy? Yep, it's Coke, right?
Ellie, what is that?
What is it, Ellie? Is it Coke?